नाजरीन मैं जा समझ लाइन लेके मेरे पास ये वाला बैग है थैला। अपन थैला तो नहीं लेके जाएगा ना, तो अपन को एक बैकपैक लेना है। सुना यहाँ पे ऐसा मॉल है, वहाँ से बैकपैक खरीदेगा अपन अभी। तो हम आ चुके हैं SM मॉल में। तो ये SM मॉल है, यहाँ पे अपन जाएगा। यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी चेक होती, बहुत मुझे बुरा लगता है, लेकिन क्या करें। चल SM मॉल जाता है, बैकपैक लेने का अपन को। Too much security here, so there will be a security check now. Too much trouble. Oh, the line is going behind. नाज़रीन अपनी गैंग के साथ आ चुका हूँ SM मॉल। No, we can go from here, SM store, right? So we can go from here and then so we can see something. I want to go to the backpack section. Where is everyone? Oh, you look very beautiful. Well, not Celine, Niqabi, not Celine. Oh, need to ask them to buy a backpack. I asked them. This pant look nice. Levi, it's Levi's, right? Code blue. Hi, I want to buy a backpack. There. Honey, hold this one. This on camera. Do not put on the ground. Break. Levi's pant. Okay, thank you. I check later. First buy the backpack. It's okay. Give me no problem. तो अभी हम आ चुके हैं मॉल के अंदर, आप देख सकते हैं। तो मैं अभी बैकपैक तलाश करूँगा यहाँ पे, बैकपैक कहाँ से मिलता है। What did the security guard say? Where's the backpack? We asked him, right? He said somewhere. I don't forgot. तो अभी पता कर रहे बैकपैक कहाँ पे, इनको भी नहीं पता। These are T-shirts. तो तलाश करे बैकपैक कहाँ से मिलता है वे। Ahmed, can you hold for me? Sorry. So मैं बैकपैक ढूंढ रहा हूँ। Yeah, I'm looking. How much is this one? Look the price also. 999. It's good for 999. Yeah, I want to see some more. This one too small. And this one is how much? 999. It's around $15 तो मुझे बैकपैक का सेक्शन मिल गया है। Isn't there more backpack like here? In Manila, you know, there was full section of backpack. So backpack 5,000 रुपए का मिल रहा है. All the same. No new style. I want to do some fashion. Let's see. नूरजाना रिकॉर्ड. तो मैं बैकपैक ढूंढ रहा, सब 5,000 रुपये के करीब है, लेकिन मुझे कुछ अच्छा स्टाइल मिल ही नहीं रहा. It's all the same. You are right. I'm trying to find a good quality backpack. Also we can. I think we should also go up, right?
The girl says only here.
Only here.
Yeah.
I want the fab. How much is this one? This one 999.
Same price. This
Same
one is big.
Big. I want more side pocket. Let me see. This one has two color, right?
This one is 129.
129. Okay. Where is the stuff?
999.
Throw everything inside. And let's go. Anna, what should I do? Just buy this one? Very boring backpack here in Manila, so beautiful there.
Yeah.
So this is the only backpack I find. This is quite boring, to be honest with you. It's literally boring. Even it do not match my personality. नाज़रीन ये मिल रहा है 5,000 रुपये का. This one do not have much space. I need more space, you know. I'm surprised only this one. तो नाज़रीन मैं आपको देख के बताता हूँ कौन सा लेने का है. Nurjana, take picture 1 minute. Take picture, okay? You hold this one. Hold this one. I take picture. Hey, Nurjana, take picture. 1299. Can I put my laptop or not inside? Okay, I think laptop will fit. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to make. Oh, no need. One time. Here also I like this style, but you know, no side for putting tripod. I'm just gonna buy this one. I said maybe I look one more time, give one more try. This one is nice. This one also 969. Very small, really. Yeah, see, also low quality. So let's keep finding. Oh, look here. 699, quite cheap. But can I fit the laptop or not? Small. Oh, this one. Oh, this is big. How much? 999. Oh, it's like this. $199. This one also good. laptop, no, very small. So नाज़रीन ये बैकपैक मिला मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. It's for girls this one also. तो अपन बैकपैक ढूंढ रहा है, कोई अच्छा बैकपैक मिल जाए अपन को तो अच्छा है. जेंट स्पोर्ट का देख लेता है. यहाँ पे अच्छे बैकपैक हैं. 4290 quite expensive. 2590 big but expensive. And Nurjane expensive around 1000. How much is this one? 3790, but it's good quality. First I'm looking at the price. 3290 is like how much? I need to check in Hong Kong dollar also. Around fine, under 1500 better. 679, forget about it. This one 2000 okay. Maybe you check some more here. This one look old man, but how much? 1690. It's also good. We will show some, see some more. Hane, find something useful, okay? नाजरीन ये अपन को मिल गया है 799 पैसों का, लगभग 4000 रुपये का. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. अपन ज़रा पहन के भी दिखाता है. अच्छा लग रहा है ना, तो अच्छा लग रहा है तो अपन पहन के दिखाता है तो अच्छा है. 4000 रुपये का करीब. चले लेते हैं. स्टॉप. Honey, isn't it a t-shirt? Remember I bought the t-shirt. Okay, later, forget about it. Man t-shirt, remember?
No, but I don't know where did you go.
I bought it for Sam. Okay, we can look later, we pay here. So finally, I'm doing the payment. So I'm getting these 2 bags. It was a harder choice to be honest with you, but finally I decided on these 2. नाज़रीन अपन ये 2 बैग ले रहा है. ये 4000 का और ये है 2500 का. Honey, come here. Come here. Show them where Oxy stuff where to buy this kind of t-shirt. We bought SM one. Oxy stuff here. तो नाज़रीन आप देख सकते हैं अपन ने पेमेंट कर दी है, बैग ले लिए. अभी अपन बाहर जा रहा है खाना खाने. Where are you going, Hannah?
Going to concert.
Oh, okay, let's go there. Bye.